everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create checkboxes in Google Docs. This is a new feature that I'm super excited about. I have a blank Google Doc here. I'm going to make a to-do list for today and wake up, make my bed, make breakfast, laundry. You see the pattern here. I can highlight everything and notice this new box in your toolbar, checkbox. And if I want to add some different things, walk the dog. And you can see how easy it is. So these can be printed, or you can come up and how satisfying is it throughout the day to check off exactly what you've done. So if you're excited about this new update to Google Docs, give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for future videos. Until next time, bye everyone.